Hi guys, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this delicious orange baklava using phyllo pastry sheets. This baklava is deliciously soaked with summery orange juice. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell notification for new recipes. So let's dig into the recipe. Let's chop the nuts first. Here I have 1 cup of pista and walnuts. Using a food processor, make a coarse powder. Use the pulse option on your mixer grinder to achieve this texture. So here we have bits and pieces of pista and walnuts. That's exactly the way we want it. Now let's choose an orange. Here I have 1 big orange. If you are using small oranges, then use 2 oranges because it's orange baklava and we want the taste of orange infused in the baklava. Also, we would be needing half cup of homemade melted ghee. If you would like to know how to make this ghee, click on the link above. I have here 450 grams of ready-made phyllo sheets. Using ready-made sheets make it easier to make the baklavas. The sheets are very fragile and need to be handled carefully. Since the size of the tray that I am using is smaller, the sheets need to be trimmed a little. The leftover side trims can be used to make bite-sized baklavas in the similar fashion. Always keep the phyllo sheets covered to avoid drying. We will use half of the sheets first and then layer it with nuts and then the rest of the sheets. First, brush the pan generously with melted ghee and place a phyllo sheet. If the sheets are broken, it is not a problem. Press the sheet on the pan and then brush with ghee again. This step is repeated until the first half of the sheets are done in similar fashion. Now we are done with making the first layer. It's time now to sprinkle the chopped nuts evenly on the phyllo sheets. Arrange the remaining sheets one by one to complete the baklava. After we are done with constructing the baklava, it's time to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cutting the baklava ensures that the sheets below are cooked properly while baking. Pour melted ghee generously on the baklava, keeping in mind the cuts through which the ghee seeps into the baklava to make them crisp. The ghee also adds a wonderful aroma after it is baked. Bake in the middle rack at 150 degrees Celsius until the top is golden in color. Depending on your oven, it could take anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes. To make the sugar syrup, in a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of sugar, freshly squeezed orange juice and 1 cup of water. Bring this syrup to a boil and cook until the syrup is slightly thick. Now that the syrup is thick and sticky, add a tablespoon of lemon juice to stop crystallization. Switch off the flame and add a teaspoon of cardamom powder to give a wonderful aroma. The baklava is perfectly baked with a gorgeous golden color on the top. Pour the warm syrup immediately on the baklava. This helps it to absorb all the juicy syrup and make it delectable. Grate some orange peel on the top. This gives a great flavor and slight bitterness to the baklava, but this is completely optional. Now it's time to test your patience. Rest the baklava 4 to 5 hours before serving. The baklava will soak all the juicy orange syrup. If you like the recipe, do give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Signing off until next time from Heap of Spice.